I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon sa ating unang channel, no? So, madaming nagtatanong, bakit dalawa yung channel mo? Kasi una, Babaylan TV lang talaga. And then after a year or two, bigla akong naisip, bakit hindi tayo gumawa ng isang channel, no? Para makater naman natin ang mga Pinoy audience. So, yun, kaya dun siya nagsimula. Hopefully, nasagot ko na, no? Para matapos na yung tanong na yan. So, Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang, take what's only yours. Aquarius, the Hermit, the Two of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. So, ang tagal na inantay. Ang tagal inantay ng relasyon na ito bago pumunta sa isang level of commitment. Hanga din ako sa pasensya. Hanga din ako sa tiyaga. Hanga ako sa love, actually. No? The reason being is, meron namang time or meron namang chance siguro, no, humanap ng iba, ipagpaliban na muna ito, pero nanatili yung loyalty, nanatili yung patience, nanatili yung promise, no, that I will be here for you through thick and thin. Ang nakikita kasi natin dito with the Hermit, I feel like meron din ditong siguro maturity, no, sa relationship na ito. It could also be an age gap. If we're not talking about the maturity, it may be a May-December love affair, it may not be, pero konti lang siguro yung gap. But it doesn't matter, no? With the Two of Wands, so parang ito yung month na parang tatalon ito into another level of commitment, which is actually maganda naman, no? The Knight of Wands. So I feel like the flow will be very, very smooth. I am seeing here celebrations with the Three of Cups. I feel like itong celebrations na ito, hindi ito yung holiday, no? I feel like mangyayari ito, gagawin ito, and it will be a traditions. Dito sa relationship, masyado akong malapit. Tradition sa relationship ninyo, and the Queen of Swords. I feel like hiningi mo ito, you planned for this probably before, but then again, ang tagal bago dumating, kaya nga sabi ko, di ba, may yung pag-aantay, pero huli man daw at magaling ay nandiyan na rin, no? With the Queen of Swords, I am actually naiintriga ako sa Queen of Swords kasi bakit ganun na lang yung eagerness, no? Clarify that. Ace of Wands and the Fool card. So either I am really seeing age gap kasi malayo ang agwat nitong the Hermit and the Fool card, or kailangan na talaga ding um, dalin ito sa another level of commitment, no? Sandali, tataas ko lang pa ako, nangangawit na. Dahil magkakaroon ng anak, buntis na, or para sa anak, no? Siguro that would be one of the reason. Pero nandun din kasi yung love, nandun naman yung love. Pero kumbaga ang nag-push nito, kumbaga naging lucky charm tuloy nga ba itong bata. Kasi parang ito yung magiging way para mangyari, no? Itong hinihingi natin, probably walking down the aisle or magkasama na kayo. Cohabitation proposal or marriage. So I feel like meron nang nangyayari, obviously. Hindi naman to divine intervention na bigla na lang ding, nabuntis ng coke, no? With the Little Tricksters and the Wheel of Fortune, feeling ko, no, itong, pag pinag-uusapan, itong, pagsasama, itong marriage, I feel like hindi nagiging maayos yung flow before, kasi parang siguro iniiba yung usapan or pinapagpaliban. Pero I feel like etong month na ito, matutuloy yung conversation, yung plans, no? I feel like someone also here, siguro iniisip yung gastos. Pero I feel like this will all planned. So, ibig sabihin, nakapag-ipon na rin somehow. With the Page of Swords, so ito na nga, I feel like there will be agreement, signing of a contract, for you and this person to finally commit with each other. Not just commitment by word. I think that this is commitment legally, or di ba sabi nga nila, the holy matrimony, pinag-isa kayo ng may kapal. So I feel like this is a lasting commitment na both of you are going to agree now with the Ten of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles. So I feel like yung Ten of Swords kasi dito, ito yung ending. Ending of what? Ending of you asking. Ending of someone asking for kailan ba mangyayari, or asking for it. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Pentacles and the Tower. Kasi parang ito lang yung kulang for the other person to fulfill the happiness, for the other person to finally receive, the gift probably na hinihingi niya. With the Queen of Pentacles kasi, this will make this person really abundant, not just physically or materially, but also emotionally. With the Tower, so I am seeing transformations, but the transformations are actually in a good way, no? So this is your reading, Aquarius. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na meron po tayong kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po yung unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live tayo dyan. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section, as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dito sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions, no? That will be for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. So if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing a Taurus, or Virgo, Sagittarius. I'm seeing Aries. I am seeing Leo. Pisces, Virgo. Yeah, so that is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.